The 2022 Audi RS7 exclusive edition is set to be more rare than the first edition Charizard card that you watched an influencer show off on TikTok. Only 23 units of the RS7 variant will be produced, with all of them earmarked for sale in the United States, if you can survive the likely markups. Under the hood, the RS7 exclusive edition is powered by the same 591 horsepower 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 found in a standard trim, so there isn't much to report in the way of increased engine performance. Though, the front ceramic brakes are slightly larger than the optional discs available for the standard trim. Other than that, the exclusive edition RS7 offers more in the way of cosmetic changes, inside and out. Starting with the exterior, the 2022 RS7 exclusive edition is sprayed with Mamba black paint with a pearl finish with undertones of blue, according to Audi. The noir theme continues with blacked out Audi rings and emblems. The front spoiler, rear diffuser, and mirrors are carbon fiber pieces which enhance the look and technically saves an insignificant amount of weight. The exclusive edition comes with a set of 22-inch gloss wheels which cover blue-painted brake calipers. Inside, Audi has adorned the exclusive edition in more black leather than a Tim Burton film. Beyond the seats, the door armrests, door panels, center console and upper dashboard are all covered in leather and finished with Sepping blue stitching because they had to do something to match Cho's brake calipers we mentioned earlier. To mix things up, the headliner is made from black Dinamica, which is a synthetic suede similar to Alcantara. If this black-on-black German super sedan sounds like your type of party, then you'll have to be ready to fork over $165,400 plus a $1,095 destination charge and whatever astronomical mark UPS that the dealer decides to tack on. Considering the low production run of this trim, don't be surprised if prices exceeding $250,000 start popping up on Audi Reddit pages, along with a lengthy debate about whether or not it's worth forking out California condo money for what is effectively a very rare appearance package.